Hi friends, we're going to finish the rest of our lesson. This is part 2 of the video for day 3. So we just did the number 3 tens and 1 1. We represented it with our tens and ones and figured out that was 31, 10, 20, 30, 31. And then for the number, or for the phrase 1 10 and 3 ones, I have drawn out my 1 10 and then my 3 ones, that's 10, 11, 12, 13. So if we want to compare 31 and 13, we look at the number in the tens place. There was 3 tens over here, 1 10 over here. So 3 tens is larger. That means 31 is larger than 13. So we're going to choose this symbol here to make the alligator, if that's what you're thinking of, eat the larger number. So in this phrase, I would say 31 is greater than 13. Say that with me. 31 is greater than 13. All right. Okay, so we're going to practice just a couple of these. We're going to use the symbols to compare the numbers. So on each of these, we're going to fill in the blank here. And I've drawn just a little T-chart with our tens and ones so that if we need to compare the numbers and look at them, we can. All right, so the first one, we're not going to do all of these, but if we look at part A, we've got 27 and 24. All right, so I'm going to write out the number 27. I'm using my computer mouse for this, so it's a little sloppy. And then the number 24. Now, I wanted to use this chart for this one because if we look at both numbers, they have the same number of tens, so then we have to look at the number of ones and see which one has the larger number of ones when they have the same number of tens. So 7 ones or 4 ones, well 7 is larger than 4, so that means that 27 is larger. So I'm going to use my symbol to make the alligator eat the larger number. So 27 is greater than 24. That's a little bit wonky looking, that's okay. All right, let's look at the number 31 and 28. So which number do you think is larger, 31 or 28? You're right, 31. So I'm going to make my symbol, and I'm going to say 31 is greater than 28. Let's do one more. We have the number 10 and 13. Decide which number you think is larger. Which one? You're right, 13 is larger. So I'm going to make the alligator eat the larger number. So we're going to say this phrase together. 10 is less than 13. Ready? 10 is less than 13. Okay. Now I want to explain your assignment that you will do on your paper. So you have a page that will look like this, and you're going to circle the correct phrase to make the sentence true. And then you will actually draw out the symbol greater than, less than, or equal to, and write in the numbers to create a true number sentence. So the first one is done for you, so we're going to look at it together. They had 36, so they wrote 36 on the line. And then they had to choose between is greater than, is less than, or is equal to. And then the other number was 3 tens and 6 ones. So they wrote out, well, 3 tens is 3, 3 tens, 30, and then 6 ones, 6. 30 plus 6 was 36. So 36 is equal to 36. And then they wrote the symbol for equal to. All right. We're going to try one together just to make sure you understand what to do. We have 110. I'm going to write that out. 110 and 4 ones. Okay. Then you have the number 17. So we're just going to write 17 over here. All right, so we have to choose. Is 14 greater than 17? Is 14 less than 17? Or is 14 equal to 17? You're right. 14 is less than 17. So if I make my alligator eat my larger number, it's going to be chomping towards 17. So that means 14 is less than 17. So you'll circle that as well. All right, let's do one more together, and then you will be able to do the page on your own. Make sure you turn it in to your teacher. So we have 2 tens and 4 ones. So 2 tens and 4 ones. And then the number 34. Remember, I'm doing this with my computer mouse. I'm sorry, it's messy. So 24 and 34, which number is larger? 34, you're right. So 24 is less than 34. So I would circle that phrase. All right, now you know what to do on your assignment. Good luck.